The Lincoln County Sheriff's Office responded to a domestic violence call at a residence on Meadowlark Lane in Grover Tuesday night. Deputies contacted a woman and her 4 children after they fled the home. One of the children, an 8-year-old, suffered a gunshot wound and was treated and released from Star Valley Health. The suspect, 40-year-old Chaz Lilly, was later found dead inside the home from an apparent self-inflicted injury. The investigation is ongoing. According to Wyoming Untrapped, Wyoming Sportsmanship, a group formed after a wolf in Daniel was tortured, is demanding justice after a cow moose was allegedly roped, dragged, and abused by 3 men in Uintah County. The group's spokesman, Paul Ulrich, says the actions were egregious. The defendants are due in Evanston Circuit Court January 15th, 2026 on felony wildlife cruelty charges. The Wyoming Highway Patrol says strong winds have caused dozens of blowovers across the state. There have been 39 reported since Tuesday. One truck pictured was stuck on the I-80 guardrail at milepost 279 for a few days. Dangerous hotspots include Bordeaux on I-25, Cooper Cove on I-80, and near Elk Mountain. I-80 remained closed Friday morning to high-profile vehicles from Cheyenne to Rawlins, while I-25 reopened. WYDOT officials met with residents in Jeffrey City to discuss winter road conditions and snow plowing priorities on Highway 135 and nearby routes. The meeting included questions and concerns for the community. Also, Governor Mark Gordon met with first responders in Torrington to discuss Wyoming's tax structure. He says lawmakers must pursue a fair, stable tax system that supports families, schools, and local communities. And that wraps up today's trip around Wyoming.